So I recently removed all of my devices from my Blink app to demonstrate something. And today I'm just going to add everything back. So I figured, why not document it? So if you need to add a new device to your Blink system, here's how you do it. So first, what we're going to do, open the app. I'm assuming that you already have an account created. If not, create one. Hit this plus button up at the top right. And we're going to start with the sync module because the cameras need the sync module. So let's select sync module, move all this out of the way. And then on the back of our sync module, there's a QR code. We will just scan that in. There it goes. Now we have our system, our home system. So I'll continue. Here we go. Okay. So we do see that it's blinking green. I'm sorry, blinking blue with a steady green. Now, if yours is not blinking blue, try unplugging it and then plugging it back in. If that doesn't work, give it a reset by hitting that button in the back. If you have the sync module 1, there should be another button or pinhole that you can use to reset the device. All right, since this is lining up, we'll hit discover device. We'll join the Wi-Fi. Now we'll join our Wi-Fi and we'll put in the password. And there we go. So the sync module 2 has been added to the system. We'll hit done and we can see that it is now connected here. Sync module is online. So now that we have that connected, let's add in a camera. So I have here the Blink Mini. Good camera, but it's powered. So let's add this real quick. Hit the plus sign. Find the mini camera. Now the process is going to be very similar. We scan our QR code. There it is. Okay. Now again, we're going to add this to home. And again, we are blinking blue with a steady green. Now, if you're not seeing the blinking blue with the steady green, you can disconnect it from the power and plug it back in. If that doesn't work, you have on the bottom here, a pinhole, basically, that is your reset button. So just reset the device. It should be in setup mode. So we're going to follow the same steps. We'll discover the device. We'll join its Wi-Fi network. We will choose our Wi-Fi at home. Let it connect. And now this camera has been added to our system. All right, so with the camera added, we are now going to change the name. So we'll just head over here to device settings. We'll go to general settings, and at the top, we'll see the name. And I will put this in the office, save it, back. And if we hit that play, it should work. So that's how you add a camera. The other cameras are going to be very similar. I won't walk you through those, but just follow the same steps. So guys, if this was helpful, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.